Hi friends, welcome to IT Code. In this session we are going to see about fast forward cases in SQL Server. Fast forward cases is derived from forward only cases. So base type is forward only type cases. And the fast forward cases are usually the fastest option with SQL Server. There may be cases where another option may work better, but the fast forward cursor is a good place to start if you must use a cursor. Fast forward cursor seems to be like the option from forward only dynamic with optimizations to perform fastest. Let us check the simplest example for this. Consider that a stable student. Here going to create a cursor student cursor fast forward, and this is the syntax for fast forward cursor types. For select student ID and student name from student. Open that fast forward cursor, and before that declare the column variable with the relevant data type. Open that cursor and fetch next from fast forward cursor into the declare variable in the same order of what mentioned in the fetch statements. So within this while loop, the condition is fetch status is equal to 0 and close that cursor and deallocate that cursor. Name, and within this loop assign the next position for that cursor. So fetch next. So it is equal to forward only dynamic. Within this cursor we cannot use, see the simple example for fast forward, it just print the student name. We cannot use the other scrollability function fetch prior or fetch first. We cannot use this. We cannot use within this cursor. Just check with the move first. It will raise the error because it was forward only type. So we cannot use first, prior, last. Only we can use fetch next. So this is like forward only, and we are going to update the one student while fetching the table using cursor. See, one more session. Going to update the student. Set student name is equal to where student ID is 3. The actual data is 3 records, and the third employee is David. Here going to update with Peter in another session. Just command for wait for delay with 3 seconds after cursor open. So it will accept that changes what are made in the table, because each and every fetch statements directly fetch it from the table, not from 10 dB like static. So it's a dynamic. See, first execute that cursor and again with the student. So it will return the updated one. So it will accept the insert or delete or update changes from the table while execute the cursors. Before that, fetching row. What are the changes made on that row before fetched? So it's look like a dynamic. So fast forward likes forward only plus dynamic, and with the optimizations, it looks like the fastest cursor method in the SQL Server. We can compare with this the large volume of data. We can compare with forward only plus fast forward with the static. So it will be the fastest cursor in a SQL Server, that is fast forward. So that only name called as fast forward. In some other Microsoft sites confirms that static type cursor will be the fast when compared to fast forward. So we can check with the large data when it based on the logic, and we can make a conclusion based on this fastest cursor in SQL Server. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.